In this video, we're going to talk about setting up a kitchen or bar printer. We're going to go to the Manager Options. From the Manager Options, we're going to go to the Printer Options. For this example, we're going to set up a bar printer, but it'll work exactly the same for a kitchen printer. We're going to call this bar printer. We're going to give it a type of bar. If this was a kitchen printer, we would give it a type of kitchen. Okay, once we have that in there, we're going to hit Add, and we now have the new printer name defined. We also added a pizza printer as a kitchen printer, so we'll go through what happened with that also. In the Printer and Network tab, we're going to add the IP address for this printer. This is a bar printer that is going to be printing bar orders behind the bar on the bar station's receipt printer, which happens to be receipt 2. So that IP address is 192.168.1.52. So we're going to use that same IP address and set it to bar printer. So now we'll have two separate printers, bar printer and receipt printer, both going to the same physical printer. Then we're going to go to our station setup, and we are going to point this. Now the bar station, when you take an order on the bar station, you don't really need that order to print on the bar printer. When you take it on a remote client station or a server station, that's where you do need that order to print behind the bar for the bartender to make the drink. So we're going to check it here so that when the bar order is taken from the server station, it will print on the bar printer. The last thing that we need to do to set this up is to point our items to the bar printer. Up on the top, we're going to go to the Products tab, and then we are going to filter this by the category that we want to set in here. So if we're going to look at, let's say, wine, this will show us all of our wine items. We are then going to say that our wine is going to print on the bar printer when an order is taken. And we'll just go through and check all of the items. We can, if we looked at a different, if we went to the pizza category, we'll see that pizza items are printing on the pizza printer, not the bar printer and not the kitchen printer. If we went to salads, we would see that salads are printing on the kitchen printer. Now you can certainly do multiple printers, so we can have this salad printing. Well, if we went to, let's go back to pizzas. Oftentimes people will have their pizzas not only printing on a dedicated pizza printer, but also on the regular kitchen printer. So we can do both printers. If we did no printers, this item, when it was ordered, would not print in the kitchen at all. And for the bar items, any liquor items we would assign directly to the bar printer.